If you like to have a well-shaped nose, this video is for you. Lift your nose with just 4 very easy exercises at home. Absolutely real. Let's get started. The first exercise. Point your nose up with your index finger and laugh at the same time. You can repeat with me right now. Very easy. It's enough to do this exercise for 1 minute. The second exercise, hold your nose like me with 2 fingers. And lift your nose with your index finger. And pull your lips down. Don't worry, if you do it with me right now, you will see how easy it is. This exercise is very important for nose lift. It's enough to do this exercise for 1 minute. With one click you can help me a lot. Please like the video. The third exercise. Pay attention to the muscular parts of the nose that I show you and massage linearly like me. This massage is great for the beauty of your nose. And you only need to do this exercise for 1 minute. The fourth exercise. In this exercise, you pull the skin of your nose up with a finger and then pull the skin down with a finger. This exercise is great for both your skin and your nose, and just like the previous exercises, 1 minute is enough. Excellent. Do these exercises once a day to see the results. This channel is for your beauty. So subscribe to your channel. Thank you for giving me energy by liking. We are human with any race.